Hey everyone, my name is Addie and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this cute set of nails. It was inspired by another nail tech. Her name is, or she goes by Nails by Edith on Instagram, so I'll leave her Instagram handle right here. So I decided to do these on my client. So first I pushed back the cuticle. Some clients are going to have really nice cuticles that you can easily push back, and other clients, their cuticle are going to be super hard. So keep that in mind. And then I go ahead and remove the cuticle with the nippers. You got to be very careful because you can easily cut somebody with these. So next up, I'm just going to go ahead and clip their nails. I don't clip them all the way down just because some people grow that hyponychium super high. Um, and you can really cut somebody if they have it like that. So I just cut off a little bit, clip off a little bit. Man, dude, I suck at this. Next up, I'm gonna apply a fine sanding band, and I use a new one for each one of my clients. I'm just going around the whole nail to buffen it up a little bit. You want to make sure you go around it really good. Get rid of all that cuticle, because if you don't, it'll cause lifting. I feel like this is a part a lot of people struggle on, is not prepping the nail correctly. So make sure you go around that nail really good. Okay, so after removing the dust, I'm going to go ahead and apply the nail tips. So I'm just using clear ones here, and you want to make sure that you size them correctly. So I like to make sure that it's sized correctly, and then I'll apply the glue and stick it on there. As you can see, my little glue over there, I put a little penny at the bottom, and it helps it stand up so that the glue doesn't spill all over. So that's a cute little tip. Now make sure you size these correctly, because if you do them too small, chances are the nail is going to break off. If you do them too big, that's going to be a hassle to file. So usually I like to ask my client where to stop, so I'll put the nail clipper in there like that, and I'll ask them to tell me where to stop, and that's how I determine how long they're gonna get them. And then I just get a straight edge clipper and clip the sides of those nail tips so that it helps me with the coffin shape. Now I'm just filing the sides of the nail tips. So you're gonna see in my future upcoming videos, my technique is a lot different. I filmed this video a little bit ago, so things have changed, but yeah, this is what I'm doing now. This helps you a lot when it comes to your filing at the end. So now I'm applying dehydrator, and now is the primer. I use an acid base because I feel like it helps a lot, but I always do warn my clients that it might sting a little bit, and so far none of them have an issue with it. So I like to apply a base of clear. I feel like it just blends in the nail tip. I don't go in and blend the nail tip in with the drill, simply because I do not like to over drill their natural nail. So I rather just fill in that that difference with the clear. So here we go with the blue. These, I don't have the colors here with me, so I can't really tell you guys what the colors are. I know I suck, but it's from what freaking Glam and Glitz. I will leave everything linked down below once I get to the salon. So this color is a little bit sheer. You're going to be able to kind of see through it. So what I ended up doing for the future is I ended up putting some white in there, and it made it less clear. I just didn't do it for this video. And then here I'm just applying this glitter that I actually borrowed from my friend. So if I figure out what the brand is, I will link it down below. Then I'm applying these blue butterflies, and you want to make sure you apply the butterflies when the acrylic is still wet because they'll go in there really nicely and they won't move around once you cap them with clear. It makes a huge difference. Like, it helps so much when you put them on when the acrylic is still wet. So now we're doing another blue nail. I believe it's just the two sparkly nails and then the rest are going to be blue nails. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to the pinky and I'm going to put a little bit of blue on there. So I'm going to go now through all of the fingers just to make sure they don't need any more color. And then I'm going to start capping them with clear. Also, I did forget to say that this is a size 8 brush and it's from Pana. Now I'm changing my drill bit to this ceramic safety bit, and I believe it's a fine one. I'm just gonna go around the whole nail, especially the cuticle area. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and shape the nails. I like to use a 100-100 grit file, and you can't really see because of how I angled the camera, but I like to flip around the hand and file the top that way simply because it comes out nice and straight, whereas if I do it at this angle, it'll come out not straight, and so that's a really good tip right there. And then I also like to go over the top of the nail with the file because it makes it that much more smoother. So I just have always liked doing that. Alright, so now I'm going to wipe down the nails with some alcohol, and right there I noticed that when I filed some of that blue off. So I had to go back in and apply a little bit more blue. And I'm going to apply some clear after that. Just trying to fix that little mistake. And then I'll skip that nail and let it dry. Alright, so now that this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and file the top of it. And I'm going to start applying the top coat. I know some people apply the top coat after they apply the rhinestones, but I like to apply it before. Alright, so lastly, I'm going to go ahead and apply the bling. So on the pinky, I'm going to put some glue down. I'm going to put a little circle, I don't know what you call those, and a rhinestone in the middle. For this finger, I'm just going to do a U around the nail. I don't know how else you would say that. And then for the thumb, I'm going to put another little circle with a rhinestone in the middle. And then I'm going to add 2 rhinestones on each side. And that'll be it for this video. Just apply some cuticle oil and you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!